Coaches, ready?
Yes.
I like that you guys both have the hats.
Thank you.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, come on, team. Okay.
Hey, no talking.
One more towards you. Yeah, and then bring them off. Yeah. Come on, slide over this way. Okay, now bring this one towards you. Bring it towards you. Yeah. Bring that towards you.
one that was.
That was true.
Okay, another time, go. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, good. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh. I gotta move one motion now. I don't know what y'all doing. Alright,
You're flat.
Go. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, go, baby. Go. What do we do?
I'm like a football coach.
Hot now, too. Go. I gotta slide. Go.
The dead silence is so funny.
It really is. I like it.
Oh no. You guys got it. You're almost there.
They went diagonal too.
That's crazy.
Maybe it's easier. I don't know. I've never done it. So.
I do think it's funny that we said you can either leave early or you get one more round. They're like, let's do one more round.
No talking.
No talking around.
They didn't want to talk. I'll take it.
There's going to be a lot of talking later. They're just saving their voices. We got farm and the sheep later today. So they're just saving their voices.
Maybe we could go to lunch.
Yeah, or give